Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is going to be quick and easy, the way I like it. I'm going to do a giveaway. I have brand new Prismacolor Premier colored pencils. You get 12. These are my favorite color pencils. If you've been with me for a while, you've seen my big, humongous Ziploc bag full of them. And I just love these. So I thought, you know what? I know a lot of you don't have these or you have different kinds. And I thought I'm going to do a giveaway. So again, this is a 12 pack, brand new, still in the wrapper. And all you have to do is follow my blog. And that is at I had to write this down so I didn't forget. HTTP knittingandthings.blogspot.com. Share this video on social media and leave a comment down below. That's it. I'm not going to have you do any thing where you have to sign up for anything different. I will pick a winner July 3rd. If you don't know what Prismacolor pencils are, let me show you the one pack I have. This is a pack that I had got, and they are delicious colored pencils. They're like waxy and creamy, and they blend. Delicious. And they're just wonderful. Let me show you. This is just black. These are just so good. So you'll have your own 12 pack. I mean, they're gorgeous, gorgeous. And then they blend so good. And then what I like to do is I either take cream or white and I will go in and it even blends it further. Look how it's blending that black into like, oh gosh. And the white just gives it this really pretty. And I can use this with my acrylic paints, my multi-surface paints, all those kind of things. And oh my gosh, using your art journal. And I have a very good, I can do little bunny foo foo. Anyway, so I thought I would share these with you. I wish I could buy you a big pack to give away, but I can't. So I thought 12 would be, you know, a good starting point. So again, all you have to do is follow my blog, share on social media, leave me a comment down below. I'll pick the winner July 3rd, and all this information will be down below. All you have to do is click it, and it'll take you to where you need to go. I love you guys. I have a few more giveaways coming up to, you know, show you guys how much I appreciate and love you guys and your support. And I hope you guys, you know, are excited for something like this. And good luck to all you guys who are entering. I love you guys. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you. Bye.